Facts about crocodiles: these animals evolved over 83 million years ago. Birds are their closest living relatives. Despite the impressive size of crocodiles, their eggs are small, no larger than goose eggs. The dwarf crocodile is only called such. It can grow up to 2 meters in length. Fossil ancestors of these animals reached a length of 12 to 14 meters, and in height, standing on all 4 legs, were taller than the average human. The largest crocodiles in the world are marine crocodiles. They can be up to 7 meters long and weigh up to 1 ton. They are found in Australia, India and the islands of Fiji. Until about 3,000 years ago, these creatures lived only on land. Why they eventually adapted to living in the water, scientists do not know yet. Crocodiles cannot stick their tongue out, as it is practically immobile in relation to their lower jaw. They often swallow rocks, which not only help them grind food in their stomachs, but also facilitate the process of diving. The blood of crocodiles contains an analog of a natural antibiotic, so the wounds they receive usually heal quickly and without complications. They can easily dine on eggs or offspring of other crocodiles. In the case of crocodiles, which will emerge from the eggs, males or females, depends on the air temperature. At a temperature of up to 31 degrees, females are born. At 31 to 33.5 degrees, both. And if the air is heated more than +3.5 degrees, then the males are born. Crocodiles inhabiting the Nile River are capable of jumping out of the water 1.5 to 2 meters while hunting. These amazing creatures live for 100 years or even more. Sometimes, the ancient Egyptians worshipped crocodiles as gods. In the absence of food and water, these animals could hibernate for up to 2 years. Contrary to popular belief, crocodiles and alligators are different animals. Vulnerable, as it seems, crocodile belly is reliably protected by a skeleton of ribs, and the latter are not connected to the spine. If anything, even a drop of water hits the crocodile's tongue, it immediately slams its mouth shut, because it has a reflex. A fed crocodile never attacks its potential prey. These animals have learned to carry water in their mouths and irrigate the slopes of banks where herbivores come to drink water. Some deer slipping on wet clay quickly fall prey to a river predator. The teeth of crocodiles, because of their constant work, wear out rather quickly, but new ones grow in to replace them. They are completely renewed in about 2 years, and in total, these replacements can be up to 100. Most species of these reptiles are not able to survive when water temperature drops below +20 degrees. At short distances, they are capable of developing staggering speed, thrashing their short legs at breakneck speed. Crocodile jaws are not designed for chewing, so they tear their prey to pieces and swallow. A half-ton crocodile can devour up to 100 kilograms of food at a time. When swimming, they can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. A crocodile is considered an adult at the age of 5 to 10 years, depending on the species. Crocodiles do cry, but not because of the throes of conscience, but because through the tear ducts they release air mixed with tears, which they swallow while devouring prey. In Australia, there are signs warning of crocodiles in some sparsely populated parts of the country. Tourists neglecting them sometimes become lunch for these reptiles. In some regions of ancient China, crocodiles were used instead of watchdogs, placing them on a chain near the entrance to a house. These animals breed during the rainy season, during which time their aggressiveness increases by an order of magnitude. Underwater, crocodiles can see thanks to the transparent third eyelid covering their eyeballs. Having overheated in the sun, these animals lie with their mouths open. The excess heat escapes with their breath. Crocodiles have sensitive receptors on their jaws that help them accurately locate their prey even in murky and opaque water.